In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Horizon Forbidden West game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and then type in Horizon Forbidden West to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer and the reviews. And once you scroll down, you will find the Add to Cart button. Click on this button and then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods that you find within the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials followed by your billing information. And once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Horizon Forbidden West game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Horizon Forbidden West on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.